scientific study of the structure and form or distribution. John Day, scientist who developed key or identification of animal. Classification of animal kingdom. Non-core data or core data. Core data, non-core data, unicellular animal or multicellular. Uniprotozoa. Metazoan. Unicellular animal are kept in single phylum. Protozoa, where multicellular animals are divided into 9 phylum. Classification of animal according to Storer Usinger. Protozoa. Protozoa main feature unicellular body made of only one cell, one or more nuclei in cytoplasm. Parasitic for free living or metabolic activity take place in unicellular body. Respiration or excretion takes place by diffusion. Amoeba, Euglena or Trypanosoma. Phylum Porifera. Phylum Porifera. All animals of this are found in marine water or bear pore on the body. Multicellular है. Cell regular tissue do not make regular tissue, नहीं बनाता cell. Numerous pore ostia found in body wall. Skeleton made up of minute calcareous or silicon spicules. Silicon or spongy. Spongy are also used as a sound absorber. Phylum Colentrata. Cnidaria. Main feature colentrion is present inside body. First tissue grade organization is found. Animal are aquatic or diploblastic. Around mouth some thread like structure found, उसको टेंटिकल बोलते हैं. हेल्प होल्डिंग द फूड. बेबी रेडियल सिमेट्री. स्पेशलाइज्ड सिनाइडोब्लास्ट कैचिंग फूड हेल्प करता वो. हाइड्रा जेलीफिश सी एनिमोन हाइड्राड रिप्रोड्यूस बाय बर्डिंग. फाइलम प्लैटीहेलिमिन्थस फ्लैट वर्म. ट्राइप्लोब्लास्टिक नो बॉडी कैविटी. डोर्सोवेंट्रली flattened animal. Alimentary canal single opening. Anus absent. Excretion take place by phlegm cell. No skeleton, a respiratory or organ circulatory system. Hermaphrodite animal. Planaria liver fluke tapeworm. Disease tenesis is caused by parasite tapeworm consuming undercooked food. Phylum Aceheliminthus. Main feature roundworm, long cylindrical unsegmented worm, bilaterally symmetrical and trypoblastic. Alimentary canal is complete in which mouth and anus both are present. No circulatory and respiratory system but nervous system is developed. Excretion take place through Proteinophrida. Unisexual. Most forms of parasitic but some are free living in soil and water. Roundworm, Ascaris, threadworm, Bucheria. Ascaris caused by the disease Ascaris in human. It is found in small intestine of man. Enterobius, mainly anus of child. Children feel itching and often vomit. Some children urinate on the bed at night. Filarial disease caused by Bucheria bancrofti. Phylum Annelida. Annulus body bearing ring-like structure. Body long, thin, soft, metamerically segmented. Locomotion take place. Setae made up of chitin. Alimentary canal well developed. Normally respiration through skin. In some animal it take place through gills. Nervous system is present in blood is red. Excretion by nephridia. True column is present, both unisexual and bisexual. Earthworm, Nereis leech. There are 4 pairs of heart in earthworm, not true heart. Phylum Arthropoda, joint leg, Body divided into three parts: head, thorax, or abdomen. Body converted with thick, chitinous exoskeleton, jointed legs, circulatory system open type. Body cavity called hemocoel, trachea, book, lungs. Body surface are respiratory organ. Mainly unisexual, and fertilization take place inside the body. Cockroach, prawn, crab, bug, fly, mosquito. Arthropoda, largest phylum of Animalia, 6 feet 4 being in insect. 13 chamber cockroach hut. Ant is social animal which reflect labor division. Termite animal lives in colony. Excretory organ of insect. Malpighian tubules. Silk obtained from pupa of silkworm. Cockroach, white blood due to lack of pigment. Hemolymph. Phylum Mollusca. Main feature soft body shape and soft divided into head or muscular foot. Mantle always present. Secrete a hard calcareous shell around body. Alimentary canal is well developed. Respiration take place through gills. Blood often blue colored. Respiratory pigment called hemocyanin. Excretion take place through kidney. Pila octopus. Loligo squid. Aplysa sea rabbit. Doris sea lemon. Devilfish octopus. Sepia cuttlefish. Heloitis belong to phylum Mollusca. Hemocyanin is an oxygen transport metalloprotein containing 2 atoms of copper found in the blood of mollusca. Mollusca, second largest phylum of animal. Phylum Echinodermata. Spiny skin animal. This group are marine. Water vascular system is present. Tube feet for locomotion. Taking food which work as sensory organ. Brain not developed in nervous system. Special capacity of regeneration. Starfish, sea cucumber, brittle star. Function of Aristotle lantern is to chew the food found in sea urchin. Phylum Chordata. Not code is present. All chordata trypoblastic. Coelomate. Bilaterally symmetrical. Dorsal hollow tubular nerve cord. Protochordata or vertebrata. Some main group of phylum Chordata. Species, amphibia, reptile, apes or mammal. Species all cold-blooded animal. Heart only pumps impure or deoxygenated blood. Heart made up of 2 chambers. Respiration takes place through gills. Dog, fish, torpedo, electric ray, exoskeleton, flying gas. Amphibia found in both land and water. All these creatures are amphibian, cold-blooded. Respiration takes place through gill, skin and lungs. Heart are the 3 chambers, 2 auricle and 1 ventricle. Frog, nectarous tree, toad, salamander. During hibernation, frog respire through skin. In fact, croaking of frogs is the call for sex. Salamander has 3-chambered heart which belong to phylum Amphibia. Reptile, crawling animal, land vertebrate, cold-blooded, terrestrial or aquatic vertebrate. It contains 2 pair of limbs. Skeleton completely flexible. Respiration takes place through lungs. Eggs are covered with shell made of calcium carbonate. Lizard, snake, tortoise, crocodile. Mesozoic era is called era of reptiles. Cobra is the snake which make nest. Cobra emit venom through fangs. Heloderma is the only poisonous lizard. Sea snake which is highly hydrophilic is the world's most poisonous snake. Apes, warm-blooded tetrapod. vertebrate with flight adaptation. 4 feet modified into wings to fly. Boat-shaped body is divisible into head or neck, trunk and tail. Respiratory organ is lungs. Bird have no teeth. Beak help in feeding. Beak is formed by jaw. Pneumatic bone. Crow, peacock, parrot. Flightless bird, kiwi or emus. Largest live bird, ostrich. Smallest bird, hummingbird. Largest zoo in Alipur, Kolkata. And the world का Cruiser National Park, South Africa. Copper Smith barbet is a bird with male patterned face of bright color. Mammalia. Sweat gland and old gland found on skin. All these animals are warm-blooded. Heart is divided into 4 chambers. Tooth become twice in this animal dipod and no nucleus in its ray at BC, except in camel or llama. Skin of mammal have hair. External ear pinna is present in mammal. Pinna is present in mammal. Mammal are divided into 3 groups. Prototheria जो lays egg, echidna. Metatheria bears immature child, example kangaroo. Eutheria, it bears well-developed child, human. Dolphin is example of class mammal. Group of dolphin is called pod. Mammal highest body temperature goat का है. Echidna और dog. Wild platypus egg laying animal. Ctenophora or phylum invertebrate animal are known as combegenus. pH range 7.35 से. Smallest man like organtum. Dog का Canis familiar. Frog anura. Elephant proboscis. अब एनिमल टिश्यू 4 पार्ट में डिवाइडेड है. एपिथेलियल टिश्यू, कनेक्टिव टिश्यू, मस्कुलर टिश्यू और नर्वस टिश्यू. एपिथेलियल टिश्यू एक्सटर्नल सरफेस ऑफ द बॉडी और इंटरनल फ्री सरफेस ऑफ मैनी ऑर्गन्स का कवर करता है. एपिथेलियल सेल जो होता है वेरी क्लोज अरेंज होता है इसे एक दूसरे से. नो ब्लड वेसल होता है सप्लाइंग नरिशमेंट. Connective tissue function of covering and lining of free surface. Skin, intestine, gland, hollow organ like fallopian tube. Connective tissue connect and bind different tissue or organ. Structural frame and mechanical support to body. It play important role in body as defense tissue, repair, fat storage. Adipose tissue beneath the skin, ligament made up of fibrous connective tissue. Cartilage, bone and blood are connective tissue. Ligament, fibrous tissue connect bone to bone. Tendon, a flexible or inelastic cord, strong fibrous tissue. Muscle to bone, muscular tissue. Contractile tissue. All muscle of the body are made up of the tissue. Muscle tissue 3 type: unstriped, striped or cardiac. Striped found in wall of those part were not controlled by wheel. Involuntary muscle, alimentary canal, rectum, ureter, blood vessel. Unstriped muscle control motion of all those organs that move on their own. Stripped part of the body that are voluntary. Both the end of these muscles connect with the bone by tendon. Cardiac found only in the wall of the heart. Contraction and expansion of the heart due to these muscles that move throughout the life without fail. Covered 650 skeletal muscles in the body. Largest muscle human body का gluteus maximum muscle of the hip. Smallest muscle stapedius, basis of weight. Strongest jaw muscle contain a special protein called contractile protein which help in muscle movement. Ureter Iris of eye or bronchi of lungs made up of smooth muscle. Unstriped muscle known as smooth muscle. Adductor pili muscle found in the skin which make hair or skin stand up straight when we are cold or frightened. Nervous tissue. Sensory tissue. Organism is made up of this tissue. 2. Nerve cell or neuron or neuroglia. Nervous tissue control all voluntary or involuntary activity of the body. Third है human blood. Blood is type of fluid connective tissue. Quantity of blood human body में 7-8% of total weight of adult. Resolution base pH 7.4. Average 5.6 लीटर. फीमेल का 4.4 से 5. Difference is due to size of body. Spleen act as the storage organ for blood. Plasma or blood corpuscles. Plasma liquid part. 60% of blood is plasma, 90% water, 7% protein. Remaining substance are very low quantity. Function of plasma: transportation of digested food, hormone, excretory product, etc. from one part of body to another part. Serum: when fibrinogen or protein extracted out of plasma, the remaining plasma is called serum. Blood corpuscles: 40% part of the blood. RBC, WBC or blood platelets. RBC mammal is biconcave, no nucleus, exception camel or llama. New RBC is formed in red bone marrow. Embryonic stage in the formation take place in the liver. Span 20 से 120 दिन. Destruction take place in liver or spleen. Liver is called grave of RBC. Contain hemoglobin, in which heme is iron containing compound. Due to this color is blood of this the color of blood is red. Globin is a proteinous compound. With heme, it is extremely capable of combining with the oxygen and carbon dioxide. Iron compound found in hemoglobin is hematine. Normal range of hemoglobin contained in adults 17.5 gram in 100 ml of blood. Main function of RBC: carry oxygen from lungs to the all cell of body, bring back the carbon dioxide. Anemia disease caused due to deficiency of hemoglobin. At the time of sleeping, RBC reduced by 5%. People who are at the height of 4200 meter, RBC increased by 30% in them. Number of RBC measured by an instrument called hemocytometer. In adult man, its number ranges from 4 to 5 million per cubic millimeter. WBC ल्यूकोसाइट बोलते हैं. Its shape is similar to amoeba. Formation take place in bone marrow, lymph node and sometimes liver or spleen. Life span 13 से 20 दिन. Normal range usually 4000 से 11000 per cubic millimeter. Nucleus present in WBC. It main function to protect body from disease. RBC और WBC का रेशियो 600 और 1. About 60 to 70% of WBC made of neutrophil corpuscles, which help in engulfing disease causing microorganism and bacteria. Lymphocyte are type of leukocyte formed in bone marrow. Blood platelets are thrombocyte. It is found only in blood of human and other mammals. There is no nucleus in it. To take place bone marrow में. लाइफ स्पैन 8 से 9 दिन. नॉर्मल प्लेटलेट्स 1,50,000 से 4,50,000 पर क्यूबिक मिली लीटर ऑफ ब्लड. हेल्प करता है ब्लड क्लॉटिंग में. डेंगू फीवर नंबर ऑफ प्लेटलेट्स रिड्यूस हो जाता है. फंक्शन ऑफ ब्लड to control temperature of body and protect body from disease. Normal temperature of human body 98.4 Fahrenheit, 37 degrees Celsius. Clotting of blood is known as coagulation. Transportation of O2, CO2, digested food, hormone, excretory material to help establishing coordination among different body parts. Clotting of blood. Three important reactions during clotting of thermoblastin, parathrombin, calcium, thrombin, fibrinogen, fibrin or blood corpuscle clot. Formation of prothrombin or fibrinogen of the blood plasma take place in help of vitamin K. Compulsory protein for making blood clots of blood is fibrinogen. Blood group human. Blood group discovered by लैंडस्टेनर इन 1900, नोबेल प्राइज मिला उसको. मेन रीजन बिहाइंड डिफरेंस इन ब्लड ऑफ ह्यूमन इज द ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन which found in RBC called antigen. Antigen two type, antigen A or antigen B. On the basis of antigen or glycoprotein, four group of blood contain antigen A, blood group A, or antigen B, blood group B contain both A or B, the blood group AB contains neither antigen, the blood group O. An opposite type of protein is found in blood plasma. This is called antibody. This is also two type, antibody A or antibody B. Therefore, the four group of blood division of antibody is as under. A, the antigen A or antibody B, or B, the antigen B or antibody A. वो प्लाज्मा में होगा और ये आरबीसी में होगा. एंटीजन और एंटीबॉडी प्लाज्मा में, और ए बी, तो एंटीजन ए बी दोनों रहेगा और इसमें एंटीबॉडी एब्सेंट. इसमें एंटीजन एब्सेंट तो बोथ ए बी एंटीबॉडी प्रेजेंट. ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन. एंटीजन ए और एंटीबॉडी ए, एंटीजन बी एंड एंटीबॉडी बी कैन नॉट लिव टुगेदर. In case so happen these get most sticky, which spoil the blood. This is called agglutination of blood. In blood transfusion, adjustment of antigen or antibody should be done carefully so that agglutination of blood do not take place. ब्लड ग्रुप ओ को यूनिवर्सल डोनर बोला गया क्योंकि इसके पास कोई एंटीजन नहीं है. अब ब्लड ग्रुप ए बी को यूनिवर्सल रिसेप्टर बोला गया क्योंकि इसके पास कोई एंटीबॉडी नहीं है. RH factor. Landstein or Biener rhesus monkey. Blood of that person, it is found in their blood called RH positive, or blood in that person is not found RH negative. At the time blood transfusion, RH factor is also tested. RH plus given or RH plus, RH minus to given, RH body only. बाकी नहीं पता हमको. Hemolymph, body fluid of anthropoda is colorless, made of plasma and hemocytes. It do not contain any respiratory pigment. Example, cockroach.